Hello guys, welcome to Digital OR TV. Today we'll discuss the topic how to make your business foolproof in the current situation. The COVID-19 pandemic and following down have the world economy upside down. The human impact of the crisis cannot be overstated. However, one key advantage of today's society is that thanks to the internet and increased connectivity, many businesses are still striving virtually. True, the post COVID 19 situation will be rough and challenging for all of us. But the thing about us human is that instead of submitting to a tough situation, we always fight it back. And this fighting back spirit has taken my team at Digital OA by storm. We are diligently working towards creating innovative solutions to help our client make an even stronger comeback with creative marketing methods to bring in more conversions than ever before. Going back to my earlier statement, I think you will agree with me when I say that internet and increased connectivity is making impossible things turn into reality. Our team has put together a list of key digital marketing methods that are worth focusing on in this pandemic to help you with your businesses. Let's begin with the list. The first one is new breed targeted SEO. I'll tell you this. If your business has suffered a lot in the search traffic, it is time for you to upgrade to what we call the new breed SEO. All the search tactics that may have landed you on the first page are now outdated or will be in the coming days. In the coming times, the search engine industry will roll out new algorithms to improve search results quality. It will be more targeted with respect to the user. This means that if your website is not ready for the upcoming changes, it will be at risk of going further down in the results. What you will get after implementing this new breed SEO? It will help you to pull in quality traffic, more targeted users, ranking for relative keywords, future search updates based on the algorithm. Second one is smart PPC bidding. Yes, businesses are searching for more organic alternatives than the paid ones. Everyone wants to keep their business afloat, right? But think to invest in paid strategies from a different angle. They will give you a quick results. Paid search is very quick, analytic, and highly result driven. The only catch is whether or not you play your cards right. By investing in smart PPC bidding, otherwise known as auction time bidding, it uses machine learning to optimize your bids for conversion. Want leads to come pouring in? Exactly, everyone needs that. Smart PPC bidding is the secret ingredient. With this, you will get higher conversion rates, more brand awareness. Third one is the evergreen interactive content. I think everyone will agree when I say interactive content is a call to action in itself. For years, every webmaster has emphasized on the need to create good, informative, quality content, a content piece that improves your brand awareness. Creating content does not mean producing only huge bulk of articles. Interactive content goes beyond articles. Create quizzes, polls, shoppable post. Basically, pour your brand out in a way that it keeps the user engaged. After implementing the interactive content or going forward with it, you will get higher customer engagement. You will establish a trustworthy relationships. You will get the easy customer data prospects. The last but not the least is the new age social media commerce. Thanks to all the new technology advancements, having an e-commerce platform is off the must-have list. If you are low on budget but are willing to try out new channels to reach your potential audience, let me introduce you to social media commerce. Although it is not an alien concept, you must have seen many shoppable social media posts and stories on popular social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. Many smart marketers have ventured into this phenomenon by clubbing the two flourishing avenues of e-commerce and social media. By implementing this, you will get your consistent audience growth, more authentic engagements, and customer loyalty, along with more retention. With so much uncertainty around, our Digital OA team is doing everything to reach out to you with new alternatives that might help your business flourish, even if your current method is sufficient for your needs. It should not stop you from exploring new options. that might be better than the method you are currently following. Remember, the only way to sustain is to think advance and think ahead. We hope your business comes out of these uncertainties as more energetic, robust, and profitable. Let us help you out. Until then, happy digital marketing.